Here, I was testing painting that green. I'm gonna paint this probably orange. So then I covered up the green with black paint. There's one coat on it right now, so the lights are gonna be there. I was gonna go with something brighter, but I just decided to go with black. And I didn't have enough in the can, and I'm gonna probably add another coat anyways, so that's kind of the color it looked like before. So it's gonna be black like that. So I think it looks better than the green. And I'll probably even paint the windows silver and then the exterior white. So just wanted to make a quick video of showing the strip on there without the other stuff painted, but I think it turned out alright. I might even add another coat. And then I'm going to replace that vent. I might paint that silver or black, not white, just to give it a little more color. That's the exterior as of now. I got to get rid of that sticker too, and I'm going to paint this window frame there. On the door, I'm doing the door separate though, kind of separate that, but I just wanted to make a video of this paint strip here. Alright, Dovan.